Welcome to American Baker in Germany. I'm Michelle, and today we are making one of my recipes. This is my recipe for chocolate buttercream. Let's get started.
Very few ingredients today. We need 1 cup or 250 grams of butter, a 1/4 cup or about 25 grams of cocoa powder, 6 to 8 cups or about 1 kilo of powdered sugar, 3 to 5 tablespoons of milk. Start out by creaming your butter until light and fluffy. Then add the cocoa powder and cream it together. Add the powdered sugar, about 1/4 of it at a time. It can get quite dry, so it needs some moisture. Add milk, a tablespoon or 2 at a time. Whip it well between each addition as you get the consistency you would like to have. Continue to add the sugar and milk alternately until all the sugar is incorporated and the buttercream has the consistency you would like. This buttercream has a lovely consistency and has a sweet chocolatey flavor. I hope you enjoyed the recipe today. Tag me on Instagram if you try it yourself. I would love to see your work. For more recipes and tutorials, visit our website at americanbakeringermany.com. We're also on Facebook. Subscribe for more.